concerns me a great deal that we're going to, after 50 years, decide a woman does not have a right to choose.
Our top story at 4:30. Roe versus Wade appears to be on the verge of being overturned.
A Supreme Court draft opinion was leaked by Politico showing the majority of justices are set to overturn the 1973 decision. If that happens, abortion laws would be determined by a state-by-state basis. Now, if that's the case, abortions would be they'd be illegal here in Oklahoma.
The procedure would only be allowed if the mother's life is on the line. News 9's Brittany Toulis talked with providers who say if that's the case today, many hospitals turn to clinics.
It was deeply heartbreaking to hear this news, while at the same time, not surprising. This is news that we have been anticipating for some time.
Trust Women Clinic says it's been preparing for the half-century-long ruling on Roe v. Wade to be overturned.
Roe is the floor, not the ceiling. We have already been living through incredibly difficult times for abortion access.
We know that the courts are not the backstop.
Planned Parenthood Great Plains has trigger laws in 3 of the 4 states they serve. Jensen Fellows says the right to choose is still under attack by several Oklahoma lawmakers, with the heartbeat bill sitting on Governor Stitt's desk.
This would be a much more immediate, severe restriction.
In each restricting law or bill moving through the state capitol, abortion is only allowed to save the mother's life. Right now, in those cases, many hospitals turn to providers for help.
It is a regular occurrence.
Many hospitals have in their charters, you cannot perform an abortion in our hospitals. There are going to be major issues with the amount and number of doctors that we will have that can perform abortions or even do follow-up care.
The ruling on Roe also has providers concerned contraception, like the morning after pill, may be next.
That had a carve out for Plan B. But what we know is this is the beginning of a series of attacks on our most personal decision-making processes.
The SCOTUS ruling on Roe is expected to come out in the next 2 months. Governor Stitt has 5 days to sign the Texas ban bill into law. If signed, it will go into effect immediately. Brittany Toulis, Oklahoma's Own, News 9.